In the previous video, we learned complete the square form, which looks something like bracket x minus something square plus or minus something. There is another type called the factorized form. We are going to learn the factorized form. Now, how do we recognize? It's always y equals to a bracket with some x plus something or another bracket x plus something. Sometimes we don't have the plus something, so it also looks something like that. So all these with two brackets are called factorized form. To sketch factorized form curve, remember the same four alphabet SILT. The only difference is the intercept. Earlier on we find intercept of y, now we want to find intercept of x. S means shape. It's similar to part 1 video, so watch it for more details. But just a summary, we say that when the coefficient of x squared is positive, then this is a happy curve. On the other hand, when the coefficient of x squared is negative, we say that this is a sad curve. So in this example, how do we decide whether it is positive or negative? We will expand and then we see that it is x squared plus something. So this means that it is a plus 1. That means this is a happy curve. Now is practice time. So the first example, we know that when we expand, we have x squared and this is a plus 1. So it's a happy curve. Pause the video now and do the following 3 examples. Alright, time to check the answer. Now when I expand x and x, I will have x squared plus something. But because there's a minus outside, when I rainbow again, I expand again, I will have negative x squared. So this is a sad curve. Now the third example, again x times x will give you a x squared. So I know this is a happy curve because it's plus 1. The last one, when I x times x, I will have negative 3 x squared minus 9x. And when I rainbow again, I will get negative 3x squared. And because of the negative 3, we see that this is a sad curve. Next, we want to know where does the curve cuts the x-axis. So x-axis, we know that it means it is x comma 0. So I will sub y equals to 0. So when I put y equals to 0 in this example, I will have x plus 2, x minus 6 equals to 0. And I know that I can write x plus 2 equals to 0 or x minus 6 equals to 0. Now continue to solve, I will have x equals to negative 2 or x equals to 6. Now what this means is the x-intercept will be negative 2 comma 0 and 6 comma 0. So very quickly we can plot the x-intercept on the curve. And because you know this is a happy curve or a U-shaped curve, it should look something like this. Alright, practice time again. We want to find the x-intercept. We say we will let the y be equals to 0. So in the first example, when I let y be 0, I see that I have x equals to negative 2, x equals to 6. Now I want you to write down the x-intercept as negative 2 comma 0 and 6, 0. There's an error here. This is intercept of x. Pause the video now and try the 3 examples. Very good. The second example, check your answer. When this is 0, we say that the value of x is equal to 3 or x is equals to -7. So very quickly I can write 3, 0 or -7, 0. Now similarly, when this is 0, we have -4, 0, 9, 0. The last example, when y equals to 0, I will have 0, 0 and 9, 0.